This is the UAB Downtown Birmingham UAB Hilton lobby. Everything is decorated in UAB green. They have a Starbucks. Daughter and wife are hitting up Starbucks. We got UAB Blazer stuff everywhere. Sorry, that's loud. There's a little store where you can buy stuff like sodas and snacks. This is the Starbucks.
And you want to pack a hoodie or something? You know how that yogurt used to look.
You know what? I'll wait until she gets back down here, but
Little store. This is the balcony of our room 1406 in the Hilton Downtown Birmingham UAB. It's a pretty nice balcony room. We got upgraded, I guess because we're diamond, I guess. So we got a city view of Birmingham. Pretty cool. We're looking east toward the east part of Birmingham. UAB is kind of behind us mostly, although it's everywhere down here. Off in the distance, you can see Sloss Furnace, a famous Birmingham landmark. I'll show you the rest of the room here momentarily. All right, so where are we at, guys?
we're at the Blazers Grill, also known as the Lab, the Hilton in downtown Birmingham.
Yep, so we're down at the restaurant. Everything is UAB, University of Alabama, Birmingham, labeled, branded. We're here for happy hour. We're gonna have a little food. I'm gonna get up and walk around and check out the outside part of it out here. Right in downtown Birmingham. It's a nice place to stay. We've stayed here before. It's right adjacent to the campus for UAB, which is why we're here. This is University Boulevard. I'll do a little check. Oh, the swimming pool is right up there on the second level. We'll see what we get to eat. Okay, we got the menu for the Lab. So it's called the Lab, and it's called
The Blazers Grill.
Blazers Grill.
Open late.
Late night munchies. They're open till 1 a.m.
They have a little bit of everything.
They do.
Chicken, fish, steak,
I'm probably gonna get a sandwich.
sandwiches.
I want to say last time we were here we got pizza and chicken wings, and they were good.
I think we're gonna try the chips and queso for an appetizer.
Chips and queso. All right. Okay, we got our food. We dug in. I got the wings, the hot wings. They're pretty good. What about you, Angela? What did you
I
get?
got the spinach Waldorf salad. It comes with a scoop of chicken salad on the top and like a green goddess dressing on the side. It's very good. It's got some blue cheese, some apples, some green grapes, some walnuts.
So you're a fan of the Waldorf salad?
Yeah, I'm a fan. It's good.
What about you, Kaylee? What'd you
I
get?
got the steak tacos. I think they're pretty good.
They
I don't
look good.
usually get steak tacos, so it's good though.
It was kind
I
of a
like
step out for you to get
Yeah.
steak tacos. Yeah, and I got hot wings, and they are good. We finished off the chips and queso, right?
Yep.
And it was good. So overall, would y'all give it a thumbs up?
Portion size is good.
Portion size is good. Price wasn't too bad. These each thing was about $15, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alrighty. See ya. This is a view from our balcony on the 14th floor at night. It's a really nice view. I wonder what the view from the other side looks like. You'll see a completely different view if you're on the west side. This is the east side. You can see the Vulcan statue if you look from one of the corridor windows, but not from the balconies. Let's see if we can see the pool. There's a kick it area with a barbecue grill. Outside out there, that's where the outdoor part of the restaurant is. That's where we just ate. This is the second time we've stayed here, and honestly, we've had a very nice stay both times. Just chilling out on our balcony. This is one of the first times that I remember that we got upgraded to a really nice room because we're diamond. Looks like there's only 6 balcony rooms. There could be 12 if the other side of the hotel has them. These are really nice. I do like Hiltons. Just had a good meal at their restaurant. Out here on the balcony enjoying a nice Eagle Rare. Nice view. It's very calm. For a city view. I would say I recommend this hotel. Okay, let's check out the fitness center here. A card. It's nice. Big. Step out here on the veranda and see what it's like. This takes you out to street level, from the LL level. All right, go back in. Okay, we're out here at the lobby level. There's a nice little kick it area out here. Got some fire tables, some couches, some sofas. This is where the swimming pool is. There's a swimming pool entrance. It's a busy street, but it's nice. Pretty nice little hotel for urban environment. Swimming pool's behind these little false hedges. Pool hours are 6 to 10. And now I'm heading back in. And laundry is on lower level, just outside the pool entrance right there. If you need to do laundry. Looks like it's $1.75 maybe. Okay, this is the inside of our room. We are in room 1406. We got upgraded to a balcony room, which I will show you in another video, but this is the kitchen. Pretty standard fare for Hiltons. I do like the Crabtree scent stuff. I think that's good. They got Birmingham related art in all the rooms. Alabama Theater. This is the shower. Showers were nice. Shower was really good. We've had a really good stay here. I would recommend this hotel. Got Keurig machine. You have, let's see what you got here. Just storage. There is a little refrigerator. This is your closet, which we have stuff in still. Beds were comfy. Plenty of stuff to charge your devices with. There's chargers there. And there's plenty of chargers here. Like I said, we have a refrigerator No microwave in the room. Drawers in this one. I believe there's a safe in this one. Yep. Overall, pretty nice little room. Fam out on the balcony. I'll show you the balcony in another part of the video. Sloss furnace, art in the room. Again, would recommend, especially if you've got to be near downtown, near UAB, University of Alabama at Birmingham. It's a good choice. Southern Cruisers, give it a thumbs up. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you got anything out of this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day.